Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Alright, what is up, fam? This is the Cosmic here. And I'm coming at y'all with how I find options. And what I like to do is I like to piggyback off of people who have money and try to make a lot of money off options. And what I use right here is Benzinga Unusual Option Activity. And what I do is I just look for the big volume on these trades. And I like to look at a volume over open interest to be above 1. So right now, Hertz, a call sweep at $1 strike. This person had a $500 size. The option price was 50 cents. So they spent a total of $25,000 on this option. And it's sitting at $1.47. This person's in the money. And they're thinking with a DTE of 43 days, they're thinking that it's going to keep going. So I add HTZ to my watch list. IDX is same thing. Call sweep. Strike price is at $2. It's sitting at $1.41 with a DTE of 43. Spent 20 grand on it. I would be looking at this for a solid option as well. Then let's look at a put, WATT. Somebody put a put sweep for 250, and it's sitting at 340 right now. So I'll be kind of checking out these options as well. And then, I also pull up my selected brokers option chains to see what the option activity is like. WATT, its volume over open interest is not that high, not that great. Let's look at this one right here, CMCM. It's 226. The strike is at 3. This is a call sweep, so it's a bullish sentiment, and the volume over open interest is high. So this is a highly traded option stock. And you see, look, there's another one that's at 3, and you got another one that's sitting here at 3. You got a lot of these option trades. So CHMC, that's probably going to be one of my big ones to be looking at tomorrow. Get that out of here. But in all realisticness, how I've been doing it is I've been taking my options and trading them like I'm trading stocks. I find stocks that have news that are going up on volume. I set a reasonable strike, say today with SPCE. It was sitting at, it jumped from the 16s to 17s, mid 17s, and I was like, you know what, let me put a strike option at 18. Went up to 18. Awesome. I sold. I went ahead and take profits, and then it kept going. It came back down to 18-ish, and I was like, you know what, let me put another one in at 18.50. And it continued to go, and I sold it. And then I was all like, you know what? It's still running. Let me put one at 19. And I made profits on all of those option trades, trading them just like I was day trading a stock, in and out, in and out, in and out. I could have made way more profits if I was just patient, and that's one thing that I have to sit there and kind of think in my brain. How am I going to be a little bit more patient with these plays? Because if you're dead on with an option call, say that in the morning you thought that SPCE was going to run till $19, that option ran 500 if not 600% on the day. That's impressive. The stock only ran 13. So you can't tell me that the benefits to option actually is there. It's there. And you can cut your losses just like you're cutting your losses with stocks. honestly, to me, it's dumb not to play option. The only one thing that I did is sign up for Webull, and that's just to get my day trading in, and for 4 a.m. trading. But still, options is probably going to be what I'm going to be focusing on during my day trades. So, with that, fam, that's what I do. I just go to Benzinga Pro, unusual options activity. If you go to any calendar, pull up any calendar tool, hit the drop down box, you'll see the unusual option activity right here. And what I do is I set it something where I like the price range. If you can click here, you can see the price. You can see more strike prices, and like Tesla, it's some people are bullish on it. Some people, or a lot of people right here, are bullish on it. And this isn't a small amount of money. $500,000 saying it's going to get down below 1350. That's huge. That is a pretty big. That's a pretty big call. This person, I don't know what they were thinking. I think this was a longer term play. No, it actually looks like they put it in today, and that's silly to me to go down that far. But it is what it is. Tesla might have a $200 move on the downside, but you know, it's Friday, so tomorrow, and Friday is typically the day some stocks like to spike. Then I mean, you got Netflix right here, $500 strike. Somebody put in $1 million. $1 million for Netflix to hit 500. What's it sitting at right now? 507. They're in the money. They're so in the money. They're going to be making so much money off this. So that's it, fam. Y'all have a good one. Let me know if y'all like this. Let me know if y'all want to learn anything else. Let me know if I can give y'all any more tips or pointers. I will probably start doing watch list with options and stocks combined. So without that, fam, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit that Webull link down and below. Deposit $100, get 2 free stocks. It's awesome. Thank you so much. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.